What's up, my people? On the way up the shop, man, and lay some paint down, man. Another good day for me, man. Like I said, I've been blessed. Like I said, man, I appreciate everybody, man. Like I said, I'm gonna let y'all see this Cutlass I just sprayed. I just put candy on it. Like I said, man, I want y'all to see that one for sure. Let y'all know what I'm capable of. But like I said, man, all in a nutshell, man, I appreciate y'all and I thank y'all for watching my channel. And like I said, I'm going in today, man. Like I said, I got that Cutlass spray, but I got another one I got to spray now. It's an Acura. I've already done most of the body stuff on it. I just got to shoot it. So like I said, man, I appreciate y'all, man. And anything else y'all want to see, man, I got new stuff coming. So I'm actually setting it up right now. I ain't gonna let y'all know right now exactly what it is, but I do got stuff coming. Some new products and stuff like that I'm finna start putting out there. And like I said, for the people with the pickup trucks and all that kind of stuff, this is for them. Like I said, man, I appreciate it. And y'all keep watching me, man. I'm gonna keep y'all posted on whatever I'm doing. And like I said, man, I'm out here, I'm riding on the way, grabbing something to eat, go to the shop, lay this paint down. And like I said, I'm gonna let y'all see that Cutlass when I pull up. So I'm gonna put the camera dead on it when I pull up. Y'all gonna be able to see what I got going on. It's been cut and everything, so them sixes don't rub up under it. It's tubbed out. Like I said, man, it's got that candy on it. I'm gonna let y'all see it as soon as I pull up, man. I appreciate y'all. Peace. Pretty good. Bumpers. Like I said, we out here. We doing this. Hey, check me back in a little bit. Appreciate y'all, man. Peace.